She fill my mind up with ideas.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to the family. Before we get into this video, just make sure if you are not subscribed, subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button below. Like, come on y'all. We are trying to build a family. We're trying to build, you know, an empire. We're trying to build all of that. So I just want to make sure that you are all subscribed so that you will never miss another one of my videos. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my technique on how I apply my false lashes. This video has actually been very requested by many people, and it's crazy because I feel like this should have been one of my first videos I've ever done before I even started making makeup tutorials or like doing makeup tutorials, because like, how y'all gonna put on lashes in the makeup tutorial videos if you don't even know how to put on lashes? So I'm just like, but better late than never. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to apply lashes, you're going to need a pair of lashes, obviously, and the pair of lashes that I chose to use today are lashes by Velvet Luxe Lashes on Instagram. They have a website too. I will link that on the screen in the description box. And I'm using a fairly natural style lash. I feel like this could be classified as an everyday lash. This is the style Brat. I wanted to use these pair of lashes because I feel like it would be easier, especially if you're a beginner starting out and learning how to apply lashes. I definitely recommend you use or start off with basic natural lashes and then work your way up. You're going to need eyelash glue, obviously, and the lash that I clearly cannot talk today. You're going to need lash glue, and the lash glue that I use is by Kiss. It's called the Strip Lash Adhesive. It looks like this. It's a black bottle, and yeah, in the color shade black. I definitely do though recommend that if you are starting out as a beginner to use clear lash glue instead of black glue, and I will explain why when we get into the video. You're also going to need mascara. Never put false lashes on bare lashes. That's how they will easily rip out, and it's just a no. So you want to make sure that you have on mascara when you are applying lashes. And honestly, I just use any mascara, to be honest. Most of the time when I put on mascara, I know I'm putting lashes on afterwards, so the mascara I use really doesn't matter to me. But the one I have right now is the Maybellline Falsies mascara, and the wand just looks like this. You're going to need tweezers. I feel like for me, when it comes to putting on lashes, I like tweezers. I can put them on like with my fingers too. However, I feel like lashes help me better. You may or may not need eyeliner, and I will explain why you may need this later in the video. So first things first, I'm going to take my mascara, and I'm just going to put like 1 to 2 coats of mascara on my lashes. How I apply my mascara so it doesn't get on my like eyelids, I look straight down into the mirror. Look what a difference already putting mascara on does. Like, if I just wanted like a regular day where I was just going on, I wanted a simple beat, I probably would have just left it on like this. But I'm extra, so of course we're gonna add some lashes, and that's the whole point of this video. So I take the lash and I hold it with the tweezers like so. I like to take my lash glue, and the thing that I like about this lash glue is that it has like an applicator brush as well. So I like to take it, some glue, and then I'm gonna coat it, give it a nice coat, and make sure you get the ends too. With this glue, I find it best if you let it sit for about a minute to let it get tacky. So let it dry a little, but not all the way. So we're just gonna wait 1 minute for it to dry. Alright, so it's approaching a minute. So what I like to do, and I have to talk quickly because I don't want the glue to dry, but I'm going to look down into my mirror. So how I apply my lashes, I look down into my mirror and I place it in the middle I place the middle down first and then connect the end. So it's better to watch me and then do it. So I'm gonna do it on this eye and then I'll come back. I have my mirror here and I'm looking down into the mirror. So I connect the middle first, place that down, and then I usually go to the outer ends, place that down, and then I go to the inner corner and place that down as well. Sometimes it doesn't stick, so I have to like hold it in its place. Just want to remember, you want to keep the lashes as close to your lash line as possible. You don't want to physically put it on your lashes, but you want to put it on your lash line as possible. You're closest to your lash line as possible. So as you can see, I turn this way. It looks like it's coming straight from like the lash line. I go this way, same way. So this can also be a common mistake that happens all the time and still happens to me. So you see how you see like a gap right here? That just means that my lash line is too far from, my lashes are too far from my natural lash line. So I'm just gonna go back in again, pick it up, and try to replace it closest to my lash line. Now in a case like this where I don't have time to reapply glue or take it off and put it back on, this is where the eyeliner comes in, or it can come in before, but I like to use a little bit of eyeliner and then I'll go in under my lash line and put some under it so it can help blend it better. Or before I even put on my mascara, I coat my lash line with one line of liner, so that way when I'm placing my eyelash on my eyelids, it can help blend it a little bit better, and we can also avoid that gap that we see. And then what I also like to do, and I would definitely say be careful with this, I'll take my tweezers and I'll press my real lashes with my false lashes just to blend them together better. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.